Hey everyone, today I will show you how to use a debit Visa gift card on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone using your passcode or Touch ID or Face ID. Then open the Wallet app on your phone and tap the plus icon. In the Wallet app, tap the plus button to add a card. Select credit or debit card. Then manually enter the details from your Visa debit gift card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Follow the on-screen instructions to add the card to your Apple Wallet. Apple might require additional verification. This could involve a code sent to you via SMS or email. Once the card is added and verified, it should be available in your Apple Wallet to use. And that's how you can use a debit Visa gift card on iPhone. Thank you for watching.